This is chippy. It's my dad's favorite chips. It's barbecue flavored, so it's gonna be a little bit salty. Also, it's made of corn because they're corn chips. Let's look at the nutritional facts. Calories 160. Total fat 15%. Saturated fat 25%. Sodium 9%. Total carbohydrate 6%. Vitamin A 0%. Vitamin C 0%. Calcium 8%. Iron 35%. Anyways, that's it. What was this? Never mind. This is not charred. It's just a toy. I guess I have to use this. Wait guys, continue the ASMR. Take some. Guys, take some. Take some more. Guys, take some more. Don't be shy, take some more. Oh, you actually ate it? How? Take some more. Oh, you actually ate it? Take some more. Oh, you ate it? How did you eat it? You ate more. Just kidding, they're right here. ASMR is done. Bye guys. Don't, what I'm about to say is important. Remember to, if you eat, you have to drink plenty of water, especially when you eat something like this or anything salty. Don't forget to brush your teeth 3 times a day after each meal. Bye guys. So bye guys. Don't forget to watch more videos of me eating more food. Oh, round out. Bye guys.